how we deal with urgent maintenance is a really important part of our service. Urgent maintenance is things like burst pipes, backflowing sewage, all sorts of things that really affect the tenant's amenity of the home and also will affect damage to the property or cause a hazard of some sort to the tenant. So the way we deal with urgent maintenance is really important because if it's done really well, it'll create goodwill with not only our client and owner, but also with the tenant. So we want to react and deal with urgent matters really quickly and really focus on the way we communicate with all the involved parties. So when we have an urgent request come in from a tenant, we have to act with some level of empathy and concern and make sure that we give them the comfort that we're dealing with the issue immediately. When it comes to an owner-client, we need to get on the phone, we need to communicate really quickly about what's going on and seek their urgent instruction. And no matter what time of day or night, these issues need to be dealt with in their best interest. Of course, cost is always a concern, particularly after hours, but that is where we need to manage the expectations on our suppliers and our trades to make sure they're dealing with the issue as promptly and as cost effectively as possible. And last but not least, we really need to question the tenant about the level of urgency. Is it required right now? Is there things we can do to put in a stopgap for the next morning or after the weekend if at all possible? Just to help deal with the issue quickly and expediently, but also manage costs.